Hey guys, it's Hannah from Better Lettering. Today I am going to show you a few spreads in my 2019 bullet journal. I decided to split these videos up instead of doing one long one just so that it's not so long and monotonous. Anyway, today I am showing you my ideal day spread. Now I found inspiration for this on Pinterest. I thought it was a really cool way to stay on track with my day and what my goals would look like for that day. The first thing I did was found the center of my notebook. The new Scribbles That Matters journal has a mark in the middle of the page, so it's nice and easy to find the middle. And then I did one dot on either side. And just to let you know, this is sped up so that it wouldn't take as long. I didn't think you really need to see me writing everything out. So I started my day at 6 a.m. That's when I wanted to wake up. So I went from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. 8 p.m. is when I want to get the kids in bed. The next thing I did was put lines underneath each hour just to divide it up a little bit and make it look a little bit neater. I'm keeping my spreads really simple this year. I did buy the Happy Planner stickers to kind of incorporate into my journal and make it a little bit more fun, but with less work. I'm really trying to keep things simple so that I don't have to put a ton of time into this, but it still looks appealing, so I want to open my journal and do it. Now, I did make a little mistake on this. I think I put my Bible before I put wake up. So obviously I can't really be reading my Bible in my sleep. But anyway, I know what it meant. It was still a little frustrating that I messed it up, but we'll go with the flow here. So basically I just wrote in here for every hour what I wanted to accomplish in that hour or what I want each hour to be for. So the kids normally don't wake up until 8 or 9. And so I wanted to wake up at 6 so I can get in some things that I wanted to get in before they are up for the day and I have to take care of 2 little people. So I'm really trying to find a more productive way for 2019. I feel like 2018 was kind of my year to just adjust to having 2 kids, figure out the schedule, figure out what works for us. And now both the kids are on a pretty good schedule. We've been doing Bible school for a couple of months now. And so I kind of know the flow and the routine of how things go. This spread is not for Monday through Wednesday nights. We have church and Bible school those nights, so we're not home by 8 o'clock. And then we're also normally gone by 6 or before that. So this is really just more so during the day. The evening part of this is for when we're actually home. But I thought I could come back to this throughout the day and just kind of see where I'm supposed to be at. I also really wanted to be more present with the kids, so just dividing up my time like this is really helpful. I don't really want to be spending a lot of time on social media this year, and so this is going to help me stay really focused. It's super simple, super easy. I did add in the Happy Planner stickers, like I said. I think it made it really pop out and gave it a little bit of personality. I think that's all I have to say about this spread. I hope you enjoy watching the rest of this video, and I will let you guys jam out to some music now. the Scribbles That Matters journal. For this page, I used my Tombow Mono line markers to write with. Those ones don't smear at all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, hit subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below with your favorite journal to bullet journal with. Thanks for watching, everyone.